Come here. Max.
And it's coming for you.
Wow. Breathe deeply. In and out through your nose. Connect with your dog. And bow. Place your dog on the top of your thighs.
I can't place my dog on my thighs. Look at the size of them.
And rise up into boat. Your dog is the sailor, and you're the vessel. And we're gonna finish in hot dog. Place your dog on the top of your thighs.
What do you think?
Rise up.
What do you think of that?
And squeeze. Namapaw. Thank you very much. Look how relaxed he is. Oh, Robbie.
You like that? They're good.
That's Ant's dog.
Wait, honey. Sorry. Come on. I think he wants to say hello.
Hello.
So they've all got their dogs as well.
Come on, what's safe?
Are they here?
Come on, let's do Doga.
Here we go.
Oh my God! You gotta take your shoes off and your socks.
Did he wee?
Oops. Wee now.
I'm not. It's my, yeah. I think I'll let the little dogs carry on, and we'll go by the side of the stage. Well, that's what you thought of the act, huh?
Okay, let's do the upward paw pose. All of them rise up, extend, extend. Now ready, gently fold forward in loose dog position. Just gently fold forward. Hold your dog, support your dog. And relax. There you go. Very nice. Breathe. Don't forget to breathe. And bring him back into the center. Well done, everybody.
I think that's enough Doga for one day.
He's been on your shoes. He's been on your shoes. Robbie, that was so un-yogic.
There's literally wee everywhere.
I think someone needs to get a mop.
Everybody out there, let's go. Get ready for the bass drum. Make love to music. Everybody dance to the music. Make love to music. Come on, change your chant.
Oh, get it on.
Oh, get it on.
Stay inside it. 'Cause you better slow your Mustang down. Everybody sing it. She's been driving on. 'cause like little soul sister, she sure knows how to get.
That's on now. That's on.
Anyway, what is the problem? Where's this going?
She's been trying all the time.
You carried on, didn't you?
Yeah.
I'll give up. It's up.
Try that.
We're trying for you here.
Do we have an electrician in the house?
Right, cut, mate.
Okay, we got it.
Don't jiggle him out. Russell, good luck, my friend.
Do it again.
Yes, do it again. Good luck. Here we go, come on.
Check on.
Right.
Series 13, that.
That's what it
Series
is.
13.
Series 13.
Let's revisit it. We'll only be together and ever quarantine. We'll only be together, together in the oh, oh. We'll only be together and ever quarantine. Everybody, thank you. Thank you.
Hello there. Oh, hello. Are you all right?
Yeah.
I'm good, how are you?
How's your dog?
He's gorgeous.
He's quite boring, though, isn't he?
No, he's mental.
Come on, Max. Come on. So,
No, I remember him being cute but boring.
No, that's David's dog. David's dog literally smokes a pipe, I reckon.
Yeah.
They're all ready for you. Let's
Good boy, Max.
I don't know.
thank you.
It's a Yorkshire Terrier.
Didn't like me, did he? What's his problem?
Hi, what's your name?
Dave,
Dave, and who have you got in your arms, Dave?
Max the dog.
He's eyeballing me, isn't he? Eh?
Do you have a day job?
I'm getting a van driving job in 2 weeks' time.
Did you ever see Pudsey, who won the show?
Absolutely, Simon,
I mean,
yes.
are you and Max as good as that?
I reckon me and Max are just as good as that, yes.
Oh, look at him.
What a cutie.
He's not so cute, believe me.
And how long have you been preparing for this?
5 years, Simon.
Oh, wow. OK, well, good luck.
Good
Thank
luck.
you.
Oh, he's so cute.
Come here. Max.
And it's coming for you.
Fine, it's fine. What's his problem with me? Yeah, come here. What? I love dogs. What? What? What's the matter? What's the matter, man? Are you afraid? What's the matter?
Is that it? Is it gone?
Oh, what a gorgeous little doggy.
And your name is?
My name's Tracy, and this is YOLO.
YOLO. Do you think you can win? Let's do it.
YOLO, YOLO, YOLO. Oh, no. YOLO. YOLO, come here.
YOLO, you're very cute, but head-butting balls into a net, it's not good enough. I'm going to have to say no to you, sweetheart, OK?
Max, look, look.
What's the matter? All right, okay.
He's getting through his face.
What is it you're going to do today?
Agility, as you can see, but doing it with a chicken.
Oh my God! A chicken!
Feathers! Feathers!
The world's first chicken agility.
Come on, darling.
I'm the last.
Come on, feathers! Feathers!
See why they don't use dogs.
Feathers! Feathers! Bloody hell. It didn't quite go to plan.
Did it not?
I'm going to say no.
I'm afraid it's a no.
I'm sorry, it's a no from me, but thanks for coming along.
OK, thank you. Thank you.
What? Come on! Bring him back on the They are. Good boy. Are we friends? Are we friends? Are we friends now? Are we friends now? Are we friends? There we are, here we are. Come on, come on. Good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy. What's his problem? Come here. Come on. Oh, Max. Okay. Okay, Max.
All right, Miss.
Are you okay? Are you okay? You all right? Good. Good.
I like the act. The dog has good instincts.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Apart from chasing ants, I just really would love to know what else Max was going to do.
You should have done some singing.
Seriously? Always wanted to find a dog that could sing.
It's just brilliant it all went to plan.